Alright guys, ito na yung order namin. Must be eat chocolate. Hey, there's croissants here. Alright guys. Water? Or just get water. Or get pinakamigay. Ang ganda dito guys, gusto ko. Maganda ito pag ano sa condo style decoration. Ito yung washing area mo. Oh. Ayan. And this is your living room and your kitchen. What's for dinner tonight, love? Oh, look at this. Do you like this kind? Tingnan mo yung stove nila. Oh, yan ang gusto ko. Hello guys, welcome to IKEA. Andito tayo ngayon sa IKEA guys. Maglakad-lakad. We just park. There's an escalator. Welcome to IKEA. So maglakad-lakad tayo ngayon dito. Or probably we can have dinner upstairs because I'm hungry. Alright, welcome to IKEA. Walang masyadong tao ngayon. Let's go upstairs. Oh look, it's new. Alright guys, sorry, go first. Oh, the restaurant's over there. Great product, $3 for less than $3. Where we go? This way? Let's go this way guys. Ayan, ang kitchen. It's been a while. Huh? Look, ito yung kitchen guys, ang ganda oh. It's been a while na hindi kami nakapunta dito sa IKEA. Malapit lang sa amin, pwede walking. But we drive coming here tonight because it's gonna get dark soon. Ang ganda ng living room. Maganda ito pag ano, condo. This is like condo design. If you have a small spacer, studio, like that. Ayan guys. Wala masyadong tao, maganda. Hindi crowded. So ito naman yung kids, ano, design sa kids room niyo. Welcome to IKEA here in Burbank. Hey, we need a clock. Oh, our clock is broken. Let's see how much the clock. $60. We get a small one. Yeah, I know. My husband said mayroong clock in his arm. Well, you can wear that clock in your arms. Big clock. Ay, nako. Oh, ang ganda rin nito. This is your kids room. Pwede kids room. Yan. Ganda siya guys. Alright, let's go look around here. Malaki din ito yung IKEA. But marami kang ideas. Parang gusto ko yung IKEA talaga guys. Yung mga, this is room for everyone. Decoration sa bahay nyo. Wow, look at this, mahal. Look at this. This is so cute. I like the kitchen, open kitchen. And this is your living room. It's like open kitchen, small space. And this is your... Hi! Alright, let's go. Dito tayo sa kabila, guys. Wow, marami silang bago ngayon, guys. Yung ganda, oh. Ganda ng design. It's been months na hindi kami nakabalik dito. Now we're back here. $249 for this small couch. Mahala. Gusto kong gayang mga ano, furniture couch. Mga recliners. Oh, look at this. 1,849 for the whole set. Sofa. Sofa is 1,849. It's leather. It's leather. Maganda siya, guys. Pero mahal. Ha? It's mahal. Pero gusto ko yung kitchen. Yeah, just like a house. And look at this bathrooms. It's big. This is like a new modern style for the bathroom. This is for your kids' room design. And this is your master bedroom, I think. Yeah, my closet. And this is your patio. Oh, look at this. This looks the whole house. And this is your kitchen. It's so cute. It's nice. Plants. So yung asawa ko. Let's go back here. Ang ganda dito, guys. Gusto ko. Maganda ito pag ano sa condo style decoration. Ito yung washing area mo. Oh. Ayan. And this is your living room and your kitchen. What's for dinner tonight, love? Oh, look at this. You like this kind? Tingnan mo yung stove nila. Oh, yan ang gusto ko. I like this. Lots of space. Oh, look at that. So cute. Yan, gusto ko yung ganyang kitchen. I like this kind of kitchen, ba? Maraming storage. Oops. And they have ovens. Simply lang siya, pero it's nice. I like this kind of appliances up and down. And of course, you ref. Wow, look at that. See, I like this kind of ref. This is like the new style of ref. Fast food drinks, frozen. Yan. Oh, and this is like, look at this. You cook here, and that's your living room. Yeah, I like this, guys. Maganda talaga, guys. Gusto ko yung ganitong style, open kitchen. Diba? Pero gusto ko yung island kitchen kasi I like to bake and I like to cook. And this one here, just like you're in the coffee shop. Parang pag may business ka, coffee shop business, ito magandang design siguro. What do you think, guys? Pili kayo kung anong gusto nyong design. Ayan. Mga candles. Ayan siya, guys. Maganda pag malaki ang coffee shop. Ito yung good size, Maganda siya, guys. Lahat maganda. So yung asawa ko. Ito yung office space. Parang office. This is like small condo styles. And this is your kitchen. Ayan. So you come here sa IKEA, we'll give you ideas how to decorate your space. What did you measure? My husband's measuring something. Oh, complete living room for under $1,000. Yes, the couch is only $400, 20,000 pesos. Look at this couch here. This is so cute. Let me try. Firm. Nagmahal na rin ang mga furniture sa IKEA, guys. This one now is $899. Used to be like $400. Now it's double the price. I guess 8 minutes na yung video natin. Mahaba-haba pa yung lalakarin natin. Pero maganda ngayon kasi walang masyadong tao. Hindi crowded. So, ituturo ko na lang kayo dito sa IKEA kung anong bago nila ngayon. They have sale for $100, $30 off. Yeah, $33 off. Oh, this is Nala. Like a library. Oh, I need for my yoga. Storage for my yoga mat. Wow. You know, I have lots of yoga and I don't have storage. I just put side of I just put around the couch. Oh, I need to buy this. This is for your equipment. I have this for my exercise equipment. I don't have space. I just put it in the basket and hide it when I'm done. That's why you have to buy the whole thing. Ang ganda talaga guys. Ang daming mga bago sa IKEA ngayon. Again, this is for small space. Oh, panda. I have panda. Yeah, small space, you guys. Alright guys, mag-shortcut tayo dito. Okay, we're in the kitchen or storage area, I think. Kitchen stuff, boxes, container, baskets. Kitchen. Ayan siya guys. Sink. Ang laki ng mga sink. I think we're going backwards. Yeah. Oh, I like this kind of ref. $2,000 guys. Magkano to? 100, almost 300,000 pesos. 150,000. 150,000 guys. Ito, mahal. Pero gusto kong ganitong bagong ref. Kasi marami kang paglagay. So yung freezer yung sa baba. Kaya lang, mahal guys. Oh. Mahal ang presyo. Walang pera. Pag-ipunan siguro. Someday, one day. In the future, maybe. Oh, this is the new stove. $5.99 for the new stove. $4.89. What's the difference? Oh, because of the style. Yeah. Kasi yung knob dito sa taas, tapos ito yung sarap. Kaya magkaiba yung presyo. Pero yung cabinet, maganda yung cabinet siguro. Yung style ng cabinet. Pati yung cabinet, mahal din yung mga design. No? Ito yung plain. $22 plain lang siya guys. Vintage. This is your studio, yeah. Look, this is your studio guys in Manila. This is your kitchen right there. A small space. $18 square meters? Very small. Yeah, this is what you get guys if you buy. Oh, it's locked. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, my master's measuring the size of the condo in Manila if you wanna buy. $5 million daw sa Port Bonifacio. Yeah, probably. It's very tiny. Oh, this one. Open kitchen. I like this one. Yan, gusto ko yan. It's like open kitchen. Lots of open kitchen. Yan. This is like a condo. Again guys, ito yung appliances. Talagang gustong-gusto ko yun. Up and down appliances. This is your space. Your desk. Your expensive ref. $7.49 for the 2 pieces. $7.49. $7.49. And again, this is my I like this kitchen. Open kitchen. I always like that. Again, another nice kitchen. Open kitchen. I like open kitchen. Mom, can I have a kitchen like this? The one I like, it's over there. Oh, you have your own washing and dryer. Look at this, guys. Get the you put your own washer and dryer here. This is your laundry area, guys. Ganda. Again, this is your open kitchens. Marami ka talagang mapagpipilian dito sa IKEA, mga designs sa bahay nyo. This one here too. But for me, I like open kitchen talaga. Oh, the picture frame. To change the color of that one. It's nice. And you have your slide window. Oh, slide cabinet. There we go. Again, this is for small spacer, guys. Hi, welcome to IKEA. Or guys, nandito tayo sa mga dining tables. Nakabili kami ng dining table here. Looks like this, but it's white. This one? That one? Yeah. Our table just like that one over there, but it's brown. Oh, this is nice na. Look, ipakita ko sa inyo guys ang first table namin na nabili sa IKEA. Tada! This is our first table. Very small, $200. How much before? 170 something? 149 before. Now it's $200. Yeah, that was 2015 years ago, guys. So binigyan lang namin yung table namin. Yan. And we bought a new bigger one. Oh, I like this. Chop chop. $20. Man, 1,000 pesos. Ayan. Ganda. Alright, dito naman tayo sa kabila, guys. Are we going backwards? Alright, guys. So, nandito tayo sa restaurant. Restaurant and cafe. Let's see what they have here. Oh, they closed? Oh, it's over there. Okay, let's go this side. This is the line. You need a card? You need a card? Tingnan natin kung meron. You want cheesecake? Mas one cheesecake. Chocolate cake? Oh, they have salmon. Ano pipilian natin, guys? Anong masarap? Maybe I get vegetables. Vegetables. That's what you're gonna eat? Here? Alright guys, I order salmon fillet. Salmon. Yeah. It's ready. Alright guys, ito na yung order namin. Must want to eat chocolate. Okay, there's croissants here. Alright guys. Water. Or just get water. Or get pinakamigay. Alright guys, let's eat dinner here at IKEA. Ito yung dinner namin tonight. Alright, let's eat! Alright guys, try natin yung salmon nila. Try natin yung gulay. Beans. What's this? Peas. Snow peas. Alright guys, see you later. Kain muna tayo guys. Alright guys, so we just finished our dinner. Now we're buying cinnamon for $6.49 and we bought some air filter. Is that what it called? For the air filter. And gloves. So every time you come here guys, this is new, but every time you paid and you have to scan your receipts and then this thing will open. Iwas sa mga thief. Alright guys, so we're going home. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed the tour here in IKEA Burbank. See you guys next time. Bye.